Papillon 20-foot floor cord covers offer a long, continuous run that keeps cables neatly contained across wide rooms or hallways without needing multiple short pieces. The 3 separate channels make it easy to split power cords from data or audio lines, so everything stays organized and easier to trace later. A bright yellow stripe along the top and a textured, gripping base work together to make the cover highly visible and resistant to sliding, which helps reduce tripping risks in busy areas. The outer shell uses a tough, weather-resistant material, while the underside is more rubbery and flexible, giving a good balance of durability and easy placement on different floor surfaces. Because it tolerates very cold and very hot temperatures and resists moisture, this cover is well suited for outdoor events, garages, and workshop spaces, as well as indoor rooms. The material can be cut to the exact length you need with ordinary tools, so installation is straightforward whether you are routing a single path in a home office or multiple runs in a larger workspace.